yet, so get NSEO, we're going to back the Hagani, we're going to Jota. The Hanusage, the Delivery in a Wago, Gaili, or Ingedi, and Gogolio, and Ekamanta, they go to the no Goganuni, what the others. So only going off of stories that I was told throughout my life was I come from a blended family of 7 siblings, and even though both my parents are speakers, they didn't think it was necessary to speak to their children. So the first 6, they had absolutely no interest with language transmission to their children. They spoke around them, but not to them. And then when our last sibling was born, the youngest, Nihasana, something for my parents just changed, and they decided they wanted to put their all into their last and final child. So they decided to just do anything and everything they could to see if they could get one speaker, they say. And because we're fairly close in age, my sister and I are almost a year apart, and I think I'm only 3 years older than my brother. We were in the sweet spot of language acquisition still for children. So as they were actively speaking to him, and my sister and I were attending the 50-50 program through AMI, we were picking up and they didn't notice. So I came home. I told my mom about Kagada week there. She said she felt a wave of shame over her, that she wasn't the one that taught me that. I learned it from the 50-50 program. So they said that day their attitude completely shifted. I would have been in kindergarten, I think. So around the age of 5 or 6. So that's when I was officially introduced to language. So I had already had a really good grasp and was immersed in English. nhkwen-Kawennahente Iakokariio, Ronwanehiaro, but Iakokariio si wage hale, wahi loli na loli ha tuknigo aindani, tuknigo anke tahasa, tuknigo Onkwehonwehne, dana ada hageno zidnigo hagweni. Ezo loli go hayadas, but the eta hadadi, but ya alok toni honi go dana hawage, or hawaji. Ila ahoyota wego oya la di hone so no manakta de e hone go hota toni rawi ila le ahaluge nekji sundaya ne go go toni rawi wate ga ogadiaga ji agwego toni oje ke halane ke Unka oya kwa te hadi haoni ne wando katagaga de zodakta dana talonyo ne se oa yo ezons waduni ne ji yakte ganaka wan diksa oa ne ude nyata ne kotigan hoge tara bezo bi hala oa diksa oya ka hojira Matolele, katket kene kuahta zodatka dana nekne seo askatne hundatagali nekji nona dahundatka da kado nona gakne izo shubeza da tupigo za tude oksa muhone haanste so ne oya jiniga yatte hundadi ayek jinia ne andako hunda halade adakna da oya hunso de da ayek ya taundu ne skatne hundalagali jiniga oksa Tori di ito la de lekte hamdadi. So you waste the tea ondology. Toi ne do the hits the oni shiga de aluge the jiniga hawi yumya rule ya de nyaka ne ayabalo de hunka oya to the hadia hape. So get go ayo keseresus ne jiniga rudadis to dio so Taktahas, like, ew, yeah, 6 hours, Korea, have good tahas. like, Nejia, Oika, they're walking again. So it's like, Adaki, Matala. So, yeah, what a day on an island, Zaha, or Stu has a home, another one, no, not. See what they had seen there, young and Kale. I said, yeah, Kega Yeri to me, as a geoduty. She, the work of the heads to Hagen or what do you get on the heads there. So she could have a get to get the story on the land. And Ezo or what the Gota, no, like, yes, that. Then I'm on a net over the heads to Hagen. Oh, one way and then Zaha, I am not again. Gina, they get the liquid. You got no Zaha. Kedole, G, ni wandolene. So honor G, wado gatgato, G nigo adak. Yade yonder nekne ostu haya balge. So ne oha viakwa. Tegade natalek. So G ezo yankele. I gade nata ni ganketa says logeva scanso de Bartoloni nekti non agatte like the sahiru got the wandole got the yoga ji wadali hungota or nag angette nekti you guy told that yeah get for you place so gade yata like angetaya ni scana or the ke ya was the ke. Sepaderia stana ize body. Ohandu Sakagahawi kado nona sego di naza sto andu. Ezo ke andeli ona ne to ihadia ona kado ona na hadia dana zaha munga dina wadi o dana ya no wanda do gat gato ne nihonaza ne ni wanda. So now I want the next day I say I say Hunde Yando, Hundariata Tavi, Huntahuni, Katno Yahune, say no Astama Satahuni, Satagahawi, the Jadovets, now Jinohadane, one of the heads of Hadi in the West. Someone dollar Donaha on the Winstan. Egi non sooner where the Yunsta got to the Hodia and Talulio now on the Loganda Egi. More stuff. So we're in the Stone Ages, kind of still with the version stuff. So everything else is flashy, more accessible, and they tend to get drawn to that, which is not a bad thing. It's just it's harder to kind of find a balance because I don't want them completely, I guess, sheltered. I still want them to be kids because I remember how it feels being sheltered. It was really hard, almost like growing up in a language bubble and then not knowing how to relate to kids because we were in a bubble. So trying to find the best balance of they can be in a bubble sometimes, but they need to be able to go in and out as they please. And also understanding that there will be very difficult patches with raising kids. I've noticed because I have 4 and they're all different ages, so I'm in every stage of language for my kids, from little guys to adults. So I'm literally getting to watch every aspect of when they flourish, when they plateau, when they revert, when they bucket. Like, they kind of lock horns with you and you're like, yeah, I'm done. Like, I need a break. I'm like, oh, I get it. I went through that too. But then also not taking offense to them wanting to grab hold of their own self, but just continuing to offer it, making sure that they're involved and that I won't ever stop, regardless of how frustrated they might be sometimes. And also trying to still provide them with places that you can be immersed in language. So if there were more like we have so many community events, and the ones that have been done in language are really cool, but like it'd be cool that every time one of our entities had something, it had like a language portion or even coincide with a similar event all in language, which I hope we'll get there. Sometimes maybe we just might have to do it like everybody gets together, we throw something together and it just happens and hopefully it turns into something bigger. But I think we've had to do that for so long that why should we always have to be that way? Like why isn't our community a little bit more, I guess, with the times? I'm always so fascinated about Nawaga, like it seems like they have so much. So it'd be cool if like we saw that attitude and we took a lot forward here. I don't know, I'll take notes from Kanawaga. Maybe for now, just the good old elbow grease and pulling together and trying to make stuff happen with or without the involvement of entities, with or without divisions, just kind of like, we're all like, what do you call it, flash mobbing it, we're all just going to show up here and this is what's going to happen. Where it's not really centered around whether or not you go to an assistant or not, because I think that is one thing that kind of hinders people too, is language is tied to just longhouse, so they kind of get shy about wanting to even attempt it, because they're like, well, I don't go to longhouse, so it's kind of the reason to even try. We have people that do that. It's like, oh, it was alive and thriving in like not even 2 generations ago, where you could go to anywhere in anyone's house and it was just there. And we're like slowly creeping up on that, because sometimes you run into people at the store and you have a full-blown, just out of pocket conversation. You're like, wow, this feels so good. Or you just accidentally all show up at the same restaurant and you just have impromptu little sesh, and it's real cool.
Or you're hearing 2 people talk and you're trying not to eavesdrop.
Yeah, you accidental eavesdropping. Yeah, that happens to us a lot at the clinic. We're like, we don't mean to it, just but it's cool that it still happens. And I think some of them do openly speak because they think that nobody speaks, so to kind of like use your superpower and understand, you're just sitting there like, oh no, I didn't mean to eavesdrop.
Next thing that happens, I'm just like, do this, that's not the done. Since you grew up. I've always been around the language with my mom and went to the freedom school with some of my cousins so we could all speak. And now I more use it to when I'm out far and I don't want anyone else to know what I'm saying. Because I'm usually with Gana Siesta, so we'll just talk to each other. Mm-hmm. And when we want to communicate something that we don't want others to hear. It, like, not having a lot of people to talk to. So when I left the freedom school, it was like I went from a class of 6 speakers to a class of no speakers. I didn't have anyone to talk to, and I think when I was in high school, there was 4 people that I knew of that could speak in the whole school, and I would have to actively seek them out just to talk to them because I didn't have classes with them. And I noticed because of that, plus going to college with no speakers, my language is not as well as it should be right now. I'm seeing more people wanting to learn, so it's opening like more people I can talk to. And working here, I can speak all day, and it's a lot of fun.
Så första gången jag klarade sig, vi var så där, vi kunde räkna whoops, can I have some?
Oh yeah, I was working here and was in girls club, and I went from all day Ronwanehiaro to have to switch, and I sometimes forgot, and so I'd be speaking to the kids at boys and girls club in Ronwanehiaro, and I'd be like, wait, let me switch. I feel like that's the biggest thing with one language spaces. Just like, as we have like the clubhouse, it's really cool because you can just go there and hang out. So something like that, where you can just go there, hang out, and find other speakers, or just an event hosted for speakers so that you can go there and can see and speak to other people in the language. Honestly, it's hard, but to just do it. Like, if you want to learn, then it's gonna take hard work. So, if you're willing to do that, then I guess get ready, and do it.
You will, yeah.